When I left the Mormon church, I lost that fellowship and that connection with other people who believe the same thing, even if I didn't quite believe the same thing. But I feel a little bit like I lost my heritage in a sense, because I'm breaking the lineage of Mormon families and I'm starting a new heritage. When you're going through that transition, when you're leaving Mormonism, it feels like you're losing everything. You're losing your community, your culture. You're not sure how to fit into the world. You're not sure how you fit in your family who's still going to church. And there's just so much loss. There was a Christian along the way that actually gave me a verse from Isaiah, and it was something about bringing beauty from ashes. So I've kind of clung to that idea, bringing beauty from ashes, and as I clung to that through my whole transition, through all those hard times, I just was like, I had this little glimmer of hope that maybe God would restore what I had lost. And He has restored what I've lost, because I have fellowship, I have family, and I was always taught that family was your blood. And yet, I feel like I have family within the Christian church. It's very interesting, and I love it. I would say He's restored my heart. He gave me a new heart, and I love that He's working in my heart. I struggled my whole life feeling a sense of home. I was always unsettled. But when I allowed God into my heart and to change my heart and work on my heart with all that healing, that sense of belonging and that sense of home was planted when He healed me. So I feel like I'm home now, but I also have a longing for my eternal home, because I have this hope that it will be even better. There's not going to be, the anxieties and worries about what's going on in the world today, or, it's going to be more of a settled and stable home. It's going to be secure, and it's going to be a place of rest and love. And I am looking forward to that. I really have this reliance on God that whoever I'm with in heaven, it doesn't necessarily matter as much as the fact that I am with God in heaven. I have a lot of hope that He is working things out. I don't have to worry about where I'm at when I die, if I've done enough, or where my kids are going to be and where my brother's going to be. And I just have a hope that I'm going to be with God,